Shadows fall, the night feels endless. Hearts grow weak when hope is small. But through the dark a flame still lingers, whispering that we can rise above it all. Every step feels heavy, every dream so far. But even in the distance we see who we are. There's a light that guides us even through the pain, a promise in the silence calling out our name.
When the world says no, we'll still find a way.
Through the storm and sorrow, love will lead the way. Beyond the silence, a song will rise, a hope unbroken, a truth that never dies. When we believe, we find our wings. Together we can face anything. Beyond the silence, love survives.
Hands may tremble, voices falter, but hearts remember what they're fighting for.
In the ashes, something stronger, faith that carries us forevermore. When the night is long, we still see the day. Through the doubt and shadows, love will light the way. Beyond the silence, a song will rise, a hope unbroken, a truth that never dies. When we believe, we find our wings. Together we can face anything. Beyond the silence, love survives. Love survives. Oh, ooh, we'll stand as one. Ooh, the journey's just begun. Ooh, nothing can divide us now. Love will lift us higher somehow. Beyond the silence, a song will rise, a hope unbroken, a truth that never dies. When we believe, we find our wings. Together we can face anything. Beyond the silence, love survives. Love survives. Love survives. Love survives.